2018 Nissan Versa. Number 15 in subcompact cars. Is the Nissan Versa a good car? The Nissan Versa is not a good car. It can't match rivals' acceleration or agility. The interior design is dull, and the cabin materials seem like blue light specials. This Nissan also has a shorter features list than virtually every rival, and it offers few driver assistance options. The Versa does have some redeeming qualities. Both rows of seats have plenty of room, and the rear seats provide more legroom than many competitors. There's also ample cargo space, and the sedan model trunk is quite large. But this car's main priority is to cost as little as possible, and that shows through in virtually every aspect of its engineering. Should I buy the Nissan Versa? Unless price is your first, second, and third concern, you should not buy this car. As detailed above, just about every other subcompact car brings more to the table than the Versa, and in many cases, the comparison isn't close. The Hyundai Accent and Kia Rio both fare much better than the Versa in our subcompact car rankings. Both have more powerful engines, and the Kia has a nicer interior and more tech features. The Hyundai and Kia do have higher starting prices than the Nissan. Just about everything does, but you might find that they're worth the money. How much does the Nissan Versa cost? The Versa is one of the least expensive cars you can buy. The base sedan model starts at just under $12,000, which is the lowest base price in the class. The Versa Note hatchback starts at around $15,500, which is still less than many rivals' starting prices. For the highest trims, you're looking at starting prices of just under $16,000 for the sedan and just under $18,000 for the Note. These are less expensive than the top trims of many competitors. Nissan Versa versus the competition. Which is better, Nissan Versa or Hyundai Accent? The Hyundai Accent finishes in the top half of our subcompact car rankings, and while it's not one of the elite cars in the class, it still receives much better scores than the Nissan. The Versa is more spacious than the Accent thanks to a larger back seat, and the Versa sedan has more trunk space than the Accent sedan. However, the Accent hatchback has a larger cargo hold than its Nissan counterpart, and the Accent's interior is more attractive than the Versa's. The Hyundai's engine is responsive and more powerful than the Nissan's engine. The Accent delivers composed handling and cushioned ride. Overall, the Accent is a better car than the Versa, but it costs a few $1,000s more.